Sam Albert here. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about this brake upgrade that I'm putting on the rally car. For as long as I've ran the rally car, I used the Subaru 4-pot calipers up in the front, which come off of the 0607 WRX. While they work great, they were on the Group N Subarus for a long time, they do have their limitations, and mostly they're actually pretty expensive to run, even though they're the stock calipers. And that you go through a lot of pads and rotors, and the pads are really expensive if you go into the race compounds for those. So I'm looking to upgrade here with this performance friction caliper here. This is the ZR94. Well, we ran these on the Dirtfish car last year, and I really liked them. We ran them on all four corners of the car last year. Different piston sizes to accommodate front and rear, but what I'm going to be doing is putting these on the front of my car. I'm not quite ready to upgrade the rears yet, but one thing that's a little bit different with this kit is that the rotor and hat design is upgraded to a new, easier to assemble design that includes this little snap ring here. So when you're putting these together, you got to have your caliper, you got the bracket, got your rotor hat, and then your rotor itself. And the old design was you would assemble the rotor onto the hat with a bunch of hardware and bobbins that would locate and affix the rotor to the rotor hat. But this new design is pretty cool, actually. So just show you real quick, you line up the rotor onto the hat like that. You take your snap ring, kind of open it up a little bit, make it a little easier to install, and you just stick it into that groove and then start pushing it and feeding that snap ring all the way around, and voila, just like that, you've got your rotor assembled. If you need to swap rotors out at an event, super easy to do in service. You can see you just take that snap ring out, rip it all through, take the rotor out, put a new one on, you got another rotor in, replace that out, in and out, about 30 seconds. Pretty cool design. So these are going onto the rally car shortly. I'll let you know how they go. Pretty excited to put them in, and see you at Olympus Rally.